Good morning students. Welcome to offline classes for 8th standard. So in previous classes we have discussed about one of the important chapter, that is microorganisms, friends and foe. So we have discussed that chapter in detail up to last classes, and today's class we are going to discuss one more important chapter from science, that is the synthetic fibers and plastics. Here in this chapter we are going to discuss about in detail about synthetic fibers. So what are synthetic fibers and different types of synthetic fibers, and what are plastics, how they are made up of, in detail we are going to discuss in this chapter. Then before entering in this topic we should came to know, first we should understand what is fibers. The fibers means it is kind of thread-like structures. So that is, for example, we people are wearing a dresses which is made up of what? Fabrics. The fabrics are made up of what? Fibers. So like these fibers may be obtained from the naturally, or some are prepared by the human beings. Okay. So there are different kind of the fibers which we are using. So you might be observed in your home. Some are what we are using, the cloths which is prepared by which is made up of what? Cotton. Some are used by silk, some are used by some other kind of the fibers. The same way there are some are the fibers which is made by the human beings. Okay, so here synthetic fibers and the natural, there are two kinds of fibers are there. They are, the first one, the natural fibers and synthetic fibers. So then majorly the fibers are made up of fibers majorly classified into what? Two types. One is natural fibers, one more is what? Synthetic fibers. So natural fibers means the fibers which are obtained from the naturally, like maybe the animals are from the plants. So you may see example cotton and silk. Okay, so these are obtained from the either plants or maybe animals. But some fibers which are not obtained from the naturally, but they are made from the by the human beings. Such kind of fibers what we call synthetic fibers. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss that such kind of the fibers which is prepared by the human beings, those we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, so there are different kind of synthetic fibers are there which are prepared by the human beings. Then what are synthetic fibers? Already told you, the synthetic fibers means the fibers which are prepared by the human beings, or man-made fibers are called as what? Synthetic fibers. So which are not obtained from the nature, which are, we are not getting these fibers from the plants either by the animals, but they are prepared by the human beings. Such fibers we call synthetic fibers. Okay, how these are made? So have you seen that you are wearing a necklace? Okay, so the necklace which is made by the small units like this, right? So these are the small units, and finally they made into what? Some, and they are made like this. Okay, and these are having a like, and this may be here. So this is kind of chain what we are people are wearing. So these chain which is made up of what? Smaller units. Okay, in the same way these fibers also made up of what? Small units, and those units what we call the monomers or monomers. So there are many number of units are joined together. Many monomers are many such kind of the chemical substances, they join together like a chain. Such kind of chain what we call polymers. What we call for that? Polymers. Then where is poly means what? Many. So this poly word which is obtained from the Greek word. So poly means many. So many number of smaller units joined together like a chain that made what? The fiber. What is that? Synthetic fibers. So in this way the synthetic fibers are made by the human beings. So there are different kind of types of synthetic fibers are there, which are prepared by the human beings at the different factories like this. So here understood what is for synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers which are prepared by the human beings. How they are made? They are made by the smaller units, so which are joined like a chain. So So that's such kind of sand what we call polymers. So the poly means what? Poly means many. So this poly word which is extracted or from obtained from the Greek word, okay, which means what? The many. So then types of different synthetic fibers. There are different kind of synthetic fibers are there. So we were using we were using those to prepare many kind of items. So they are first one rayon is one of the important the natural synthetic fiber, nylon, polyester and acrylic. So these are the different types of synthetic fibers. Is that rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. So these are the different types of synthetic fiber. In next class, we are going to discuss about in detail about these different types of synthetic fibers.